In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Microsoft Forms presentations if you run meetings, classes, or events. Present mode in Microsoft Forms is a simple way to collect input live and keep everyone engaged. I'll walk you through the exact flow, and along the way, I'll share a few tips to make your session smooth and professional. Start by opening Microsoft Forms in your browser. Once you're on the Forms homepage, you'll see your recent forms. If you already have something built, choose it here. If not, you can start fresh by using a template. Templates are handy because they set up common questions types for you and save a lot of time. For this walkthrough, select the Customer Satisfaction Survey template. This opens the form in the design view so you can preview questions and make quick edits if you need to. Even if you plan to use a different form later, following along with this template will help you see exactly how sharing works in present mode. Now look to the upper right of the screen for the present option. It's tucked near the other form controls and stands out because it launches a full-screen, audience-friendly view. When you're ready, click Present. Your form jumps into presentation mode, which is designed for meetings and classrooms. It's clean, focused, and shows participants how to join instantly. On the first screen, you'll see a clear prompt that says something like scan the QR or use link to join. This is your audience's invitation. People in the room can scan the QR code with their phone camera and be taken straight to the form. If you're running a virtual meeting, the join link is the easiest way to reach everyone quickly. To share that link, click Copy Link. That places the join URL on your clipboard so you can paste it into a meeting chat, an email, a messaging app, or wherever your audience is. The link takes participants directly to the form and respond mode, and their answers will feed into your presentation in real time. It's a great way to spark discussion and see instant results. A few quick tips before you go live. Test the link yourself in a private browser window to make sure it opens as expected, and confirm your organization's response settings so the right people can access the form. Keep the presentation window active while collecting responses, and give your audience a moment to join before moving on. That's it. Open your form, choose your template, present, share the QR link, and copy the link to distribute. You're ready to run an interactive Microsoft Forms presentation with confidence.